I'm taking my 9-month-old on a vacation by myself. Here's how I'm gonna do it. Okay, now I have a mess here that I need to pack up, so let's get started. This is not my first time traveling alone with my son, but this is what I have found is the most doable when you are holding a baby and you have all of your luggage. I'm not checking a bag, so I'm gonna have my carry-on bag, I'm gonna have my backpack with what we need on the plane, and then we have a doona, and I'll take you through that whole process of how I carry all of this luggage onto the flight while also holding my little baby. But first we have to pack. And since I'm only taking a carry-on plus that bag, we have to pack light. I'm going on a week-long trip to Florida to go visit my family. And luckily it's not cold there, so we don't have any big coats or anything that we have to take with us. Something that I love, especially for trips like this, where I'm packing for not only myself, but also my baby, are these kind of packing cubes. Me and my husband have gone through a bunch of different sets of packing cubes. So as you see, I have my beige ones, I have blue ones, I have these blue ones, and I kind of just pick and choose what size I need for the items that I have. I've decided to take about 5 outfits because I think I'm out there for 7 days. And again, I'm going to visit my family, so they have a laundry machine if I need to use it. But I'm planning about 5 outfits for both me and my baby. I'm actually gonna pack my baby first. So I packed a ton of different short sleeves. I actually had to go through and test all of these short sleeves because where we live, it's cold. So he hasn't worn short sleeves for quite a while. So after doing a little test on what still fits him, I landed on 4 onesies plus 1 short sleeve shirt that I have, and then I'm taking 3 pairs of shorts. For the flight, I'm planning on having him wear long sleeves just because those flights can sometimes get cold. And then as I am packing these up, I am just trying to keep all of my similar clothes together. So with these packing cubes, I can actually typically fit all of my baby's clothes into 1 packing cube, which is nice because again, short on space. These onesies, I love these. I did cut out the toes so his little toes don't get squished in here, but they're so stretchy. I think they're from Target. They're Cloud Island. He's slept in these for very long time. They're super nice. And then I also have these sleep sacks that he loves. So I'm gonna pack a couple of these. Now my son, he's been on a few different trips with us, and I found that for almost every trip I have overpacked. And so this trip I'm trying to stay more lean. Really all he needs are some swimsuits, some clothes. I am taking a snot sucker because we had to buy one last time even though we already had one, and I don't want to have to buy another one, so we're definitely going to be taking that. And then I already have diapers out there and baby sunscreen, and really that's all we need. We have the doona for his car seat, and it's really easy peasy. For him, packing super light. I was able to get all of his clothes into this 1 packing cube. I'm just going to zip it up. And there we go. That is all of my baby's clothes for the entire week. Just gonna toss that in here. And then for myself, to make sure that I am packing minimally, I try to pack clothes that I can mix and match. So a few different shirts that will also pair with a few different shorts. For this trip, I am packing more dresses and skirts, which those are kind of singular outfits, but that is just what is comfy cozy to me. I have heard that when it comes to packing, if you roll your clothes, you save space. I have done that before, and I don't know if I really notice a difference. I feel like the volume of clothes is exactly the same, but if you are really tight on space, that might be something good to try. Okay, and then this is the bulk of my outfits. Again, I'm packing light. This is about 5 or 6 outfits. So this is what my bag looked like. I ended up adding in some extra snacks and my laptop, and then I was good to go. As far as my carry-on bag, I put in a blanket for my baby and a few toys that he could play with. I packed a few Clorox wipes as well, and then a few extra snacks. And these are all of the items that I will be taking to the airport. So this is my Doona bag. When I get to the gate, I put the Doona inside of this bag. I also have this hip carrier because my baby is heavy. Then I have the backpack that I'm going to be taking on the plane and the carry-on bag that I will have them check underneath the plane. We are almost ready to go. Ty had a nice long nap. I'm gonna feed him before we leave, change his diaper, and then we head to the airport. What do you think? And he's bouncing out all of his energy.
I'm so excited to see you. Oh, that was convenient. That was so fast.